Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video we are going to learn how to add this effects and selection option in Paint.net, and after that how to convert this colored image into this line art. This is actually part 2 of my previously published video that was how to convert colored image to line art, and after watching this video many people have been facing this problem of this effects and selection and outline selection. This is actually an effect that doesn't come with the Paint.net. Whatever version you have, you need to install a plugin to have this selection option. So in this video we'll be covering that, how to install these special effects, outline effects, and after that how to convert this colored image into line art. Before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. We have two images. This is our giraffe and we will convert this into a line art. This image you can see has no outline. We will convert this into this one. This can be very good coloring page for kids, and so in this video we will be learning this. So before doing this, you need to have this effects and selection option, and Paint.net doesn't come with this selection option by default. So you need to install a plugin to have this. I have already installed this, and the plugin name is Bold Baits plugin pack for PDN version 4.2.1.2 and beyond. This is updated on July 16, 2020. So you need to go to this page. I will leave a link in the description for this page, and after you are here you need to click on this download. Before clicking on this download, you need to check your version of your Paint.net. Just go here and check this. My version is Paint.net 4.2.14, and if you have this version, if you have any other version, like if you have 3.5.11, then you need to click on this link. If you have 4.0.14 and any other version that is older than this, then you need to click on this. And if you have this version 4.2.12 and beyond, then you need to click on this button. When you click on this button, it will download a zip folder like this. This would be a zip folder, Bold Baits pack 5.1.zip, and when you extract that, you will have this one. This is an installer package. Just double click on that. It will take some time to load. Here it will have it has all the different effects option, but for this video we only need selection option. So just scroll down and look for selection. Here is selection tool. Just select this one. It should be unselected. You can select none and it will uncheck all. Then click on selection, and after that click on I am running store not. Just click on this one. I agree to terms and conditions of the license agreement, and then click on install selected. Just click on this one and you are done. After doing this, you will have this selection option in the effects panel, effects menu. Now we have installed our selection option. Now it's time to convert this into this. Now once you are done with your effects option and selection option, you should see effects and selection and this outline. Once you are done with that, just click on the magic pen tool and then click on one of these colored darkly colored portions. If it is selecting the extra part, you can reduce the tolerance like this, or you can press Ctrl plus D from your keyboard and select some darker area like this, and then hold Ctrl from your keyboard and select all these darker portions, and here and like this. Now once these are selected, just go to effects and selection and then outline selection, and change the thickness to or outline width to 4 and click on OK. Now Ctrl plus D from your keyboard to deselect. Now again click within these, and once it is selected, then delete from your keyboard to delete. Delete these colors. Click within this. While clicking on the magic wand, click within this and hit delete. Again delete, and similarly select this portion and hit delete. Now we have cleaned our these portions. Now we need to select this color, this lighter color. Again click on the magic wand and click here and increase the tolerance to include the extra option, extra colors. Play with the tolerance option to select and these include or exclude the colors, and like this. Now once this is selected, go to effects and just click on the repeat outline selection. This will repeat the previously done thing. Now it will add an outline to whole image, almost whole image, and once done, Ctrl plus D from your keyboard and then click here again and hit delete from your keyboard. Now image has an outline. If this isn't perfect, then you can always go back, Ctrl plus Z again and again, Ctrl plus D, and you can again redo this so that it is perfectly selected. Again go to magic wand, click here, click some other area which is not being selected previously, and reduce the, or you can do another thing. You can first select this one, hold control and select this one and add outline. Once outline is added, just delete this one, repeat outline, and again click here and delete this one, effects, repeat outline, and click within this and delete. Now go here and select this one, zoom in and increase or decrease the tolerance like this, and effects and repeat outline, Ctrl plus D, select this one, delete, and delete this one again. Again click here, repeat outline, click within this and delete. You can later on clean this with your eraser tool. Now select here, click on here and increase or decrease the tolerance like this. Now it is perfectly selecting the image. Effects and repeat outline selection. Zoom in, zoom out, and Again click outside and then click within this and hit delete from your keyboard. Now it seems perfect. Just add a new layer below this new layer and move this layer below and click on this second layer and then go to paint bucket and select a color, white color, and fill while holding shift from your keyboard. Just fill this image, the below layer, and you will have a better outlook of this outlined image. Then you can again clean this image using your eraser tool. Just use eraser and reduce its size to something like 60 and zoom in and clean the image. Select the proper layer and clean these portions. In this way, again go to paint bucket and fill your image while holding shift. And it should add white color to your image. Now in this way you can convert a colored image into line art. Once you are done with this, just go to file and save as and select as PNG or JPEG. I am selecting PNG and rename this line art and hit save and click OK. Flatten and we are almost done. This is line art. Let's have a look. This is our line art. This one, the first one image, and I had created previously this one. I just cleaned the image. Now we have created this one. You can clean this portion and this portion to have a perfect outlined image for your coloring page. In this way, in this video we have learned how to add this selection option, and after that we have learned how to create a colored image which doesn't have any outline to a line art. So this is all from me today. If you are new, then do subscribe and also hit thumbs up below this video, and see you in the next video.